Alam niyo, ginagawa tayong bobo ng presidente natin. Magsha-shutdown daw if the Supreme Court finds it unconstitutional. Talaga? Ibig sabihin, mga kawani sa gobyerno, hindi nasasahod. Mga proyekto, hindi natutuloy. Mga utang, hindi nababayaran. When you say shutdown, as in like, ganun ba? Alam nyo, para sa hindi nakakaalam, buti na lang may alam tayo. Open natin ang 1987 Constitution, Article 6, at punta tayo sa Section 25. Section 25, number 7. Ang sabi, if by the end of the fiscal year, if the Congress shall have failed to pass a general appropriations bill, the GAA from the previous year shall be enacted automatically. So kung ano muna yung last year, yun muna ang pagbabasihan, hindi shutdown. Nasa saligang batas po yan. May alam ba yung presidente natin? They can either reenact a new one ASAP or in the meantime, use the previous years until the new one is reenacted. Ganun lang kasimple. I don't understand. Ang dami niyang legal advisors. Andyan si Executive Secretary Bersamin who happens to be the previous Chief Justice and most especially his wife. Diba? Abogado yun, si First Lady. So, may alam ba talaga yung presidente natin?